Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and share this video, leave comments down below. I want to be able to say today, Happy Father's Day to all the fathers all over the world, in our community, behind the prison walls, homeless, hospital, mental institution. We want and military veterans, and also military personnel that's on active duty as well as inactive duty. We want to extend our gratitude on Happy Father's Day. Now we want to get into a subject and a topic, ladies and gentlemen. There's been a whole lot of talk about. Being on this 30-day challenge of positivity challenge that I promised T-Money that I would do, and that's what I was doing. I also told you that there will be people that would try to draw me out during that time frame. You know, they're making all kinds of speculations. They assuming and they trying to find some kind of way for me to react to their unnatural behavior. So they're doing these weird things and they're doing these accusations. They're trying to tell people not to listen to the Doordash Revolution. I done seen a whole lot of talk among content creators, among drivers, and everybody asking questions, and seem like they are in fear of the new Dashers Rewards program, which I will title or entitle it to be the new Dashers Rewards program. This is an update or a setup. Now, I told you that I will be coming back about that update and setup. But as you know, that I've been putting out a lot of short videos, and I want to be able to share that with you today. The short videos, I'm not going to go through an extension of all of those videos happening at once. I'm not going to do that, but this is what we are going to do. So you can be able to look at the content or whatever, and you can go from there. Let's see how I'm going to do this here. See, I'm on the outside, so there's people moving around, and it always happened. I tried to catch it when it was at the quietest moment that I could do my content. All right, let's see, can we go to this? We're going to go to the clips. And you will see a few of these videos right there, ladies and gentlemen. Pull them up a little closer to you. Okay. I got some more that I'm going to pull up. All of these videos here, ladies and gentlemen, that was in my YouTube shorts. Then the reason why I did these clips for my YouTube shorts from my past videos is because I was talking about this program over a year ago, where I did my case study, where I did my research, where I did my review. Okay, and each topic that we was talking about was leading up to today's conversation among a whole lot of content creators. It seem like they're experts about what's going on. They don't have a clue what's going on. No disrespect to them. It's just the truth, and it's got to be told. All right. There's a lot of speculations. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of them being intimidated. And from Sin City, Hannibal, Pedro, Kim, and others. Oh yeah, Dash and Trader. And many others that's beginning to talk about this program that's got cherry pickers shaking in their boots. They said it's got diamond drivers shaking in their boots. They say it's got top dashers shaking in their boots. I disagree with all of them. As far as having cherry pickers should not be shaking in their boots. And I'm going to explain why. Multi-appers shouldn't be shaking in their boots. And I'm going to explain why. Now, if you don't believe me, let's see, can I pull one up for you? How do you make your... No, I don't want to play the video. But you remember when I talked about the paradigm of Doordash 2023, Doordash high priority orders. I was talking about this change was going to take place, ladies and gentlemen. And I talked about these new updated Doordash programs that we have to adapt to the changes of it. If you don't believe me, check out my videos on record for review. That's not me taking clips from other content creators this time. In which I can do that, ladies and gentlemen, because I do review channel. It follows the company guidelines and procedures on doing reviews. Okay. And if I want to do a reaction to one of you content creators' videos, especially if you're using my name, I am allowed by the company guidelines and procedure to do a counter reaction or review on the content when you're speaking about yours truly. There will be no strikes about that. Let's get that clear. Now, I do reviews. I do honest reviews. I do my research. Not just reading only. I get out there in the playing field, ladies and gentlemen, and I gain that experience. That's the thing right here that all of these content creators got in common on talking about a program, yet they haven't experienced it. All of them said they did their research. They did their research by reading. They haven't got in the playing field with this new program being initiated and was able to give you that experience. Neither have I. But I have talked about this program leading up to this program in my case studies, in my research, in my review, and I did it as a cherry picker, getting to those levels. We talked about the tier level program a few months ago when I said that that DoorDash will be pairing drivers, the best drivers, to the best customers. What I mean by best customers, the highest paying customers, which are the highest tipping customers. Okay, so they will be pairing the best dashers that gives that quality customer service, best business etiquette. All of this music, all of this noise, I knew it was going to go on. Right when I got ready to do a video, ladies and gentlemen, they looked like they got on the phones and said, here we go, let's mess this game up. Well, I'm not even going to let them do that either, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and let's go on and get to the sauce of this program here. And if you want to listen to this video, listen to the fullest of what I'm getting ready to say. I talked about in the past on the topics of updates and programs. If you don't believe me, check out the shorts that I've been posting on YouTube. I talked about the paradigm of Doordash 2023. In that video, I explained the up-and-coming events that will change the way drivers will make money on the Doordash platform in 2023. The inevitable is here, and the truth is out. There's been a lot of ruckus about the program. Drivers are upset, and content creators are flabbergasted about this information. Speaking of content creators, they agree that if drivers accept 70% of their offers, they must accept all trash offers, and that isn't true, ladies and gentlemen. They want you to believe that you got to take all of the bad offers to get these best offers. You don't have to take all of the best offers, ladies and gentlemen, which I have proved it in my ride-along, live stream ride-alongs, Take It to the Streets morning live show, to where I interacted with different drivers in different markets and proved time after time after time again that you don't have to take all of the worst offers to get the best offers. But there has to be a balance there. There has to be a balance. And the way things was being ran in the past, it was an imbalance of driver getting orders to the disadvantage of the drivers not getting the good orders, even though they had top dasher status. I'm a living witness. I had experienced it. Now I was doing before the pandemic, during the pandemic, and I'm doing it after the pandemic. I have witnessed these things, seen it live and live in color with my own two eyes. Now, those who need to be shaking in their boots are the ones that do dirty apping, those that do dirty multi-apping, those that's catfishing for orders. All of those tactics is null and void. Now I've been watching for the last 30 days, a little more, watching everybody ranting and raving, pointing fingers at who's to blame for this and that. Trying to brainwash other drivers into you just go ahead and get you a W-2. You just bail out right now. They mad at the Doordash revolution because I give the information that levels the playing field. Go ahead and be angry at the Doordash revolution. But I'm here to let you know, though, that the 70% of their offers that other content creators claiming that you got to accept all the trash offers, where they get that from? Where they get that from? If you got 3 million, or I'm going to put it this way, in this city here, if you got, and I'm just going to be hypothetically speaking, 1,000 drivers, 2,000 orders. You mean to tell me that 1,500 of them orders are all trash offers? People better start using your common sense and stop listening to the nonsense. You do the math. You use your common sense. You weed out what information that seems true and what information that is true. That's what you need to be getting at. Why are they telling you not to listen to the Doordash revolution? Because they knew I was going to come out with a video counter-reacting to all of them talking about this program, including Sin City. Now, he's closer to the mark on what's going to happen and what will happen. Even though I agree with other things that some of the other content creators are saying, all they are doing is they being my witness, stating the truths that I talked about in the past. You don't believe me? Check my shorts out. I talk about it in my clips, on my shorts, on my YouTube short videos. Some of those videos you can be able to see in full. Others I had announced a 24-hour takedown, and I took some of them down. Oh yeah, I told you I was going to do it once it started getting to crunch time. And if you didn't get that information then, and that's valuable information you need for the information that's going to happen in your market. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to push a little forward here. There must be a balanced percentage of average percentage for drivers. It's been told there's 3 million dashers out there. I even heard that it's more. I don't know the exact number, and I'm not going to claim I do. These gigtubers aren't telling you when the times you will receive a lot of low offers that will be available for drivers due to customers aren't placing orders in their market. We're always talking about it's market dependent. Yeah, it's market dependent, but there's a lot of things that are similar in your market. There's a lot of things that are different in each other market. The similarity that we have in right now is to talk about this new program. Is it an update or is it a setup? It's both. It's an update to level the playing field, to do this average percentage balance of orders that's supposed to go to the drivers that deserve these orders. not the dishonest drivers. And I saw a video today kind of somewhat disturbed me. Somebody sent the information to me, and I'm going to put the fat check on it right now. Dishonest drivers come in all shades, shapes, forms, and color, not just one race. And I'm going to leave it just like that there. There's dishonest drivers everywhere. There's not only dishonest drivers, there's dishonest people everywhere we go. In the warehouse. In corporate America. In the restaurant business. And do I need to sell more? Etc. and etc. and etc. Okay. This program, and I'm going to come out with a series 2. It will oversaturate the large order program. I talked about that months ago. There's come a time that the large order program will be oversaturated, and there will be some large orders that will not be profitable for you to make money. I told you that months ago, ladies and gentlemen. But they keep telling you again and again not to listen to the DoorDash revolution, because they don't want the DoorDash revolution to tell you these things so you can be able to be the competition that they want out the picture. Yes, y'all thought I wasn't coming back. I never was gone, ladies and gentlemen. Well, this person said something about you. That person said something about you. That person said something about you. And is irrelevant to me because it don't affect me. What you going to do about it? I told them nothing. For 30 days, I did nothing but watch and listen to them. The new Dashers Rewards program. This an update or a setup? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting ready to end this episode because I got a part 2 and a part 3 coming out after this video get launched today. I will be talking about drivers talking about they pushing other drivers out of the market, that they the best in the market. How can you be the best of the market and you got over 1,000 drivers in your city? Don't believe the nonsense. Don't believe the foolishness. Peace. Take care. We see you in the next video.